little loud, so. Hey y'all, so gotta be a little bit quiet because people are sleeping and the lighting is terrible in here. But me and hubby were actually out shopping today and we got some cool stuff for Timmy. So we wanted to show you what we want Timmy to be more involved on our channel. So we're gonna give him this stuff and hopefully it'll kind of hopefully he'll like it, because you know hubby and I have really been struggling lately because you know it's only him and we want to get another bird, but we're just kind of waiting until you know we get into that new place and get a bigger cage and everything. So right now we just gotta work with what we got. So we've decided to, if we can't get the bigger cage yet, we can't get the other bird yet, we can at least give him some toys and some stuff to just kind of interest him. So we actually got him some toys. Like a little Ferris wheel thing, a little mirror thing, so that way he can feel like someone else is there with him. And whatever that thing at the top is, a little bell. He'll probably like that. He likes noise. And then we also got him a couple treats. This mineral cake is supposed to be really good for him because he hasn't been eating very many like fruits and vegetables lately, so hopefully that'll help. As well as this. It has like honey and it's supposed to have like fruits and stuff on it, so it's supposed to be really good for him. And then we also got Timothy Hay. It is named after Timothy. No, I'm playing. It's supposed to be this thing that birds really like, so we're gonna try to give him some of that now. There was an incident the other day, but I'll tell you guys about that later. So we're gonna go ahead and just give him this stuff and see if he likes it. What's that? Oh, that's the thing. So
these things are like this brand that like rub his beak on. I'm trying to
sharpen it.
Yeah, I'm trying to find a good place to put it.
Keep it healthy. So yeah, we also got it. What is it called? Cuddle bone. Cuddle bone, what's it called?
Something like that.
Something like that. Where are you gonna put it? Just put it in the ground.
That is not how you. Is a clip.
Oh, no.
My hand is kind of big. It should be able to fit just. Hopefully it's in a good place. Now his favorite perch is up here. So.
I mean, you can just go down there and...
No, I'm saying I was trying to put this one on his favorite perch because this is actually like.
This one?
This is the
oh, that's the general thing. Yeah, he needs to eat that.
Oh no, they have more hooks. Okay, that's good.
Awesome. Yeah, Timmy, you need to eat from that.
If he ever uses this stuff, that's the only question. Will he actually ever use it? Well, if not, it will just be sitting there.
Then we'll know if we should buy it again or not.
It's like buying your kid a toy, and whether or not they play with it is up to them, but you get it to see what they do. I think this stuff would smell weird, but it doesn't.
He had a bunch of like food on that cage and stuff. And he pooped a lot today.
Feel this.
You just clean the cage yesterday, right?
No, the ties. You gotta feel the white part. They're just bread ties.
I mean, yeah.
No, I'm saying because it's like you would think they'd be something more sophisticated.
No, bro.
Nah, they. Oh, dang. I fell apart a little bit.
Come on, honey.
I wasn't me. All right, let's see.
It's a cookie kit-like thing.
He's trying to figure out what's going on.
He's looking like, what?
Yeah, it's new. It's new for both of us, Timothy.
You want to do it from the top?
That is the wrong place to do it from.
Okay. Let me grab a little twisty tie. It's okay, Tim. It's okay. It's okay.
He knocked over his little
Come
thing.
on, Tim. No need to freak out like that. No need to be so timid. Oh, honey. My joke telling skills are A1, bro. Poor Tim.
I think he'll act like this as soon as we have someone new in this cage. He'll fly around like, what is that?
He's timid. He didn't just get the nickname Timid Timmy after Timothy in the Bible. He also got it because literally anytime you look like you're about to move towards him, he prowls around like.
Not necessarily. It was because I think I knocked into the cage just a little bit. Like, he's cool with me.
Okay.
Like, he is. He just,
My name is Daryl. We'll start doing that again. My name is Daryl.
Oh, yeah, because that was a fun period in our relationship.
What you doing, Tim? Stop freaking out, Tim. Look, it's food. You can eat it. Eat it.
I had to make that a little bit more secure. Not yet. Don't expect to do anything yet. I gotta get everything set up first.
What if he tries to eat the cuddle bowl and he won't be able to?
You won't. You can't.
Yes.
It's a little bit on the impossible side.
Well, that little thing that looks like a pinwheel can go on the bottom.
Let me make sure this is super secure. Because he might attack this thing. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't scare him. Because if it scares him, he ain't gonna touch it no more. That's one thing about Timothy. Once he finds out it is something that can freak him, he will not touch it.
See, that thing you can put on the floor.
Yeah.
I think he'll like the bell. He'll be scared.
This isn't necessarily the most secure thing in the world, but
If he knocked over, he knocked it over. Just like he knocked over his ladder.
that's what I'm saying.
I wish we had got this stuff yesterday after you cleaned out the cage, because he done poop all over the place. Come on, Nick.
And most of the stuff is gonna be hanging on the cage, so it's not like it's, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, except that.
Yeah.
You know he poops when he's scared.
Yeah, he's gonna be pooping all over this. I don't know about that. I'm gonna save that for a little later, so we kind of get more active. Yeah.
Okay, so just stick it through the bottom, and I'll
I'm trying to figure out where to put it.
put it over here. Up on the highway, and then I'll pull it through. Put it on the highway, and I'll pull it through.
Can my hand reach all the way through?
All you gotta do is get it
Let me
back.
take my watch off.
Oh, you think Timmy's gonna take your watch?
No, I think that my watch is gonna knock against the cage.
Look at you. I mean, if you lift up this side of the cage, he'll fly away from it. You know how Timmy is.
Hang on the very top.
Oh, hashtag teamwork. Look, Timmy. It makes noise.
And then what else?
Timmy does not know what to do with himself right now.
He's not
What else
used
do
to
we
it. I'm trying to figure out what else makes more sense to put down for right
I mean,
now.
that's all that's left. Ooh, the mirror, definitely. You can put it on this side. Just put them on both on one on each side. So that way he can see himself, so he can feel not so alone. Can you reach it on your own?
Too close.
There you go, Tim. That's more fun.
Okay.
More stuff to do, man. Can you pick up his
I'm waiting on that. His ladder, I know. But if I pick up his ladder, it's gonna be hard to get my hand in and out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but where? Let's see.
That is not how it does it.
It says clip holder included.
Oh, okay, cool. They be thinking of everything when it comes to these birds.
Cause they smart.
Good job.
Good job, Vita Craft.
Good job, Vita Craft.
Not a sponsor, not a sponsor, not a sponsor, not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor, not a... Sounds like a video game.
Vitacraft.
Vitacraft. Craft or craft?
Craft.
Vitacraft. Hashtag not a sponsor, but I could be. Come on, honey.
Well, that wasn't the one I did.
Come on, honey.
Last but not least.
Oh, Tim, you're gonna like this. Right now, not so much. Once he gets it in there, you gonna help?
I'm trying to figure out where to put it. The best. It should be over here. This is the best place to put it.
Okay.
So.
Now he's gonna move to the left side. Now he's scared of those little.
He's scared of everything.
He's timid, babe.
I doubt you would consider this as natural habitat.
Ooh, this is natural habitat now in our family, in our home.
Alright. 'Tis complete.
Is this supposed to be that long?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's it. Oh, the Timothy egg.
Timothy, where are you gonna put it?
I know. Without him pooping on it.
You don't have a holder or anything for it. See? Just let me eat that first, because he has that whole snack over there. He'll eat too much. Bird obesity is a thing, honey.
Hey, you like that, don't you?
You like it, Timmy? Eat up, Timmy. Oh.
It's new, so you gotta let him. Is it too hard?
No. I'm just trying to figure out what we do there. Also, what you have to realize too, honey, is that even if it is like it's harder than he's used to, yeah, but it's supposed to not only feed him, yeah, but it's supposed to help him start working on being stronger and being able to get his food, man.
Okay.
Amen. You can't let them street birds get him down. Yeah, you heard me say street birds. We don't believe in them. They're not welcome in this home. Ain't that right, Tim?
See, the problem is, even if I had a holder, he poops in pretty much every corner. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the holder would have to be hung up.
Yeah, it looks good. My cage cleaning process won't be as hard because there's nothing on the floor. If there was some on the floor, this would be a lot more difficult because pick it up and you know, but now I can just unclip it. Everything's pretty much easy. So that's good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, the Timothy egg, I really don't know how I would figure that.
You're gonna have to get all of them.
That's like suspended, right? It's like hanged up. Yeah.
I mean, just like the toys, just like the other food. Everything, when it comes to birds, what we've learned is that everything has to be hung up. That you don't let them poop on.
Poop goes down, they go up. So.
Yeah. Besides, even when he's awake, most of the time he's hanging up on the top. I mean, that's just where he hangs out.
It's his favorite perch. Right now, so he can't really process all this.
Let him go to sleep so that we when we wake up tomorrow for church, all is gone. Oh my God, today.
That's pretty much it. And then I think I'm gonna use this. Detach it, and then somehow put the Timothy hay on it.
What we should do is look up on Pinterest or online or something how creative ways that people use the Timothy hay.
I'm about to try something right now. Put all this stuff in here. Yeah. That's these things are meant to do that. You can always detach and reattach. So let me see. this stuff is thick. Oh yeah, this should work. It smells like spinach. It smells like straight up spinach. I got hungry just smelling it.
Hungry?
Yeah, because it smells like spinach.
You about to eat that bird food though. Come on.
It's, number one, it's not bird food. It's for, well, any animal. It's just grass. To be totally exact. Yeah, that makes sense.
You can try it.
Put it in the most favorable area. I'm thinking near the food, which would make more sense.
Yeah, that does make sense. I know what you mean.
Let's see, he feeds right here, but he won't be able to reach that. If I put it right there, it's too close to the floor. He already has this right here.
You might as well just put it out there near the snack. The treat thing. Just
Yeah.
put it in like the corner maybe.
Like on this side?
The other side.
I'm not
But there's
gonna-
not much on that side. You see? Over there.
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Oh. Hardly. Remember, the last thing we're missing is social contact and free flights. Those are like the two most important things.
Eye contact with him. He just doesn't talk back.
Huh?
Hmm?
You said eye contact.
Eye contact with him.
That has nothing to do with what?
Eye contact with him.
I think you said eye contact. I was like,
Eye contact with him. It's not proper grammar, but that's what you said it.
family now since everyone done met him and everything.
Okay.
So we gotta take care of the boy.
Finish this up. Okay, y'all, so we got Timmy stuff in his cage. We hope that he likes it. Right now he's kind of sleepy because it's kind of late at night. We were just really excited to put it in there, but we'll definitely see. We're probably gonna go ahead and put him to bed soon, and then he'll have at it tomorrow though because we'll be at church. So hopefully he'll have some time to kind of explore, see what he likes, see what he doesn't like. He started to eat at the little treat with the honey and stuff on it, so I think he might like that. Hopefully he'll eat the protein one too, because we need to make sure he's getting his proteins and his nutrients and stuff, especially since, you know, you don't just want the bird to eat bird food all the time. You know, we try to give him vegetables and stuff sometimes, but we haven't really been giving him that many lately because of the transition with the move and everything. So, you know, we're hoping that we can kind of get him some more stuff that he likes. Anyway, tired. He's tired a bit. No, not yet. That's another story. So some stuff happened with Timmy yesterday, but I'm gonna talk about that at a later time when it is more appropriate. And y'all just make sure that you stay tuned to hear about that story because it is a story with videos. So just keep looking out for that. I'm gonna try to give you guys more updates on Tim because he is a part of the family. Anyway, open the door while I'm talking much. Anyway, make sure that y'all subscribe so that you can get updates on me, hubby, Timmy, our journey, what we're doing, what we're learning, all that stuff. Just make sure that you subscribe, like this video, share it with other people so that other people can meet Timmy and learn about what it's like to raise a bird for the first time as a young couple who never really had any pets. I mean, I had some pets when I was, you know, growing up, but I'm talking about on our own. This is our pet. Like, you know, we gotta do Timmy right or he's going to perish. And Honey never had a pet at all. So definitely share it with anybody else who might want to learn about that process. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna stop yapping now. I'm sleep talking. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Remember that God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day, and see you next time.